Welcome to another workshop software tutorial. Today we're going to be talking about split invoices. You may want to split invoices when more than one party is going to be paying an invoice or needs an issue invoice to them. For example, an insurance claim, a warranty claim, or two different customers are paying for the same job. Simply go to your transaction center and open one of your open invoices. Now you can take a look and see all of your product lines that you have currently in the job. And potentially the service was going to be covered by the customer, but this additional work was going to be covered by an insurance company. Simply press the star icon and press Split. Then select who you're splitting it with. Now you select which parts are going over to the other party. So for example, since I said only these three are being paid by the insurance company, I would update the quantity that's being transferred over from the quantity field to the split quantity field. So I'll say 1, which is the max quantity, for each line. And if there's an excess to remain on the original customer, you would type that in here. And then press split. So just like that, I have an invoice made for the second party. It's clearly notifying you that this is a split invoice. So you can press this button to quickly navigate back to the other half. And we can see on the customer's original invoice, the split items have been removed and the excess remains. And on the insurer's invoice, the vehicle is linked, even though it's not permanently linked to the customer. It's temporarily linked here on this invoice only. And we can see on the second invoice that it has all the parts that were split over, as well as subtracting the excess that was taken. Now these invoices can be saved and processed independently, and the balances will be assigned to the relevant customer. I hope that helped, and stay tuned for more tutorials.